How to share Crunchyroll account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go for any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome and then open up the Crunchyroll web browser. So here I've already opened up the Crunchyroll application or the web browser over here. Now make sure that you log into your account. Now after logging into your account, you'll be landed to your home page that will look something like this. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen over here. Then after tapping on your profile, you'll be able to see this option of 7-day free trial or 14-day free trial. So just tap on that, and as you tap on that, it will lead you to a new page where you can see different premium plans over here. So right now here you can see the mega fan option, which is the most popular one over here, as it gives the access to stream on up to 4 devices at a time and offline viewing, and also access the Crunchyroll Game Vault, a catalog of free games. So if you want to share the Crunchyroll account, you need to have this premium version, which is a mega fan version of the Crunchyroll application on your device. In the free trial, you cannot be able to share it with other accounts and you will not be able to share it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.